Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change theme in your Samsung Galaxy A06 phone. Now the first thing you have to do is touch and hold on the home screen, and at the bottom you can see themes option. Then just tap on themes. At first make sure that your Wi-Fi or mobile data is turned on. Then tap on try again. Then tap on top. And that's it. Here you can find unlimited themes and you can download any theme as you like. If you want to download this theme, just select it, then tap on download and give it a moment. You can see that will start downloading and the download is complete. Now if you want to find your downloaded theme, just go back, then tap on themes again, then tap on menu, then tap on my stuff, and that's it. On the my stuff option you can find your downloaded themes. If you want to set this theme, just tap here, then tap on apply, and you can see it's applying, so just give it a moment. And that's it. You can see in my phone theme has been changed successfully. And that is how you can change theme in your Samsung Galaxy A06 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.